Right, I'm modelling my new snood, courtesy of Andy's wife, my camo snood. We've all been given one. There's Mr. Fleming with an O. Not seen him for a while. See, we've all got one. Andy's there putting his One Tigress Bungalow 2 up. And I'm going to be putting up my hammock tent, or attempting to. Hopefully I've not forgot anything. Yes, back on the moor. As you can tell, it's not been that many weeks since we were up here, and virtually all the leaves are gone. It's all barren. But yes, it is now time to get my tent out. So yes, this is the hammock tent I have. You've probably seen it on here before, by Night Cat. Unfortunately, I believe it has a rather large white motifed cat on the side of it, which kind of negates the effect of the camo. But it's a nice bag, nice little carry strap on it. Looks like it's a waterproof bag, ripstop. And in here we have the hammock. We have a set of poles, because it is a hammock tent, and also the tarp that goes over it, woodland pattern, a set of destructions, and a bag with the tree straps, carabiners, pegs and guy line, I believe. So I'm going to put it up. I'm not going to do an initial video. I'm going to get the basics up first. Right, so that's the basic hammock up. Really nice, bright tree straps. And then I'm going to fit the poles in now. Darren's listening to some weird Viking music in the background. Right. And openers on that side into camp. Right, now for stage 2. It's upside down at the moment. Poles are in and it's a little bit high at the moment. You're supposed to put a guide rope on. So that is the inside of the hammock tent. So I need to lower this down about a foot, I reckon. But this is the thing, first time up, got to experiment. And I do know that you have to have it quite taut. I'm not quite sure how my underquilt is going to go, my new Snug Pack -5 underquilt, but we'll see. Carry on, see what happens. See, it goes upside down like that. You wouldn't want to lie in it that way, it'd be a bit stupid. Right, so under blankets on, really thick. It's on the wrong way, but it's not that it matters. Snug Pack. There's no way to fasten those hooks on there, unfortunately, unless you've got some taut clips. And then I put a guide line, which is elasticated either side to hold it the right way. So that is the inside of the hammock tent. And we'll see. Right, get the outer on now. See what that looks like. Back in a minute. Right, hammock tent is up. It's got clips on the bottom. It's quite a complicated affair compared to a normal hammock. Here we go. See, lots of room inside. Hooks top and bottom for hang a light. Pockets to put your phone in and stuff. There we go. It's quite cosy. Certainly a lot more shelter than a normal hammock for winter use. And with me -5 snug pack under blanket, it should be pretty good.
Hi Charlotte,
you just kind of hook it and fasten it in with the poles. And as you can see, it's got quite a large night cat, kind of stands out. And he's talking to his kids. Right, get the rest of my stuff in.
That must be about 5 years since
So
you used that last.
Darren has kindly volunteered.
I've got my boots on, do you want me?
No, it should be alright.
You could have let that dog shit off first.
Oh, God.
Paddle fitted.
God, it does drop a lot.
But, you know what I said?
Yeah.
Perfect height. Right, I'm going in.
Darren said it's just like...
I didn't want it for thud.
Wow, what a fantastic space.
It's alright.
Bloody hell, that is amazing. I love it. Absolutely love it. Hello, lovely people. This is wonderful. Gosh, because with my hammock, obviously it's like here.
Yeah, in your
You know,
face.
in my face. But this, look at that, I can almost, buddy. That's fantastic.
You do
You could do with a top clip.
top clips there, yeah.
Yeah,
Definitely
I've got
help.
a couple in my bag. You can borrow, mate. It's not a problem. And nice little hangy things, and very, very impressed.
And does that feel warm on your bum because you've got
It does,
no
actually.
mat?
Yeah.
A lot of room in there,
You're
mate.
not sleeping on this one, though, are you?
No. So that'll be over the top of me,
Yeah.
and you've only got your hammock, your underquilt underneath you then.
Gosh, I'm very impressed. Anyway, you can all piss off and leave sleep.
Good night.
Look at that! Oh, hang on. Let's see. Functionality test.
Maybe wet stuff, but I haven't.
Oh, hello.
Hello! That's great, mate. I love it. Absolutely love it. But this end's slightly higher, isn't it? Let me have a go this way.
Is that okay?
Oh, mate, it is a wonderful space. It's really, really nice. Yeah, I'm persuaded. I am. I know what I want from my Christmas box now.
Not too tight on shoulders.
Say again?
Not tight across shoulders.
No, not at all. No. Well, you need to get in and have a go.
I'm under the blanket.
Well,
He's under. This is the snug pack old people's blanket
Yeah,
for the
Darren.
moor.
thank you, Andy.
Oh, it's bitterly cold.
Have
It's
you
me
got a polo
XL
mint? Have you got a polo mint?
jungle
Have you got
blanket.
A polo mint?
Right, it's getting dark now, so tarps up, hammocks up, camp's ready. We've got wood for tonight. Darren's got his little lamp up.
Which I'm really disappointed with.
Why?
I charged it up the other day. It was flat within 24 hours without even being used.
They are bad for that.
And now it won't even take a full charge.
There's only one. You didn't switch mine on then?
No, because I didn't use a remote.
Ah.
I did it manually.
Because we have this thing about.
However, when you switch yours on, it might turn mine off.
Yeah.
Go on, do it. Yeah, turn mine off.
So I've got mine on. Switch mine off. Darren's comes on.
See this, Andy. Look, watch.
On. So mine's on. Darren's is off. Switch mine off. Darren's is on. There you go. That's going to be hilarious when we go to bed again tonight. Every time.
Yeah, boy.
Especially when you're pissed. The first time it happened, I was like, what the F is going on
Yeah,
here?
'cause I was turning mine off and it was doing yours, wasn't it? We didn't realise.
How did we get it to sync?
I can't remember.
One of you's got to turn yours off manually.
You don't have one, I know that. You so cover me with ash.
And forgot to go pee. How can you want to pee and then forget to pee? To pee or not to pee? That is the question. What is it? Better to... Oh, what's the rest of the Shakespearean?
To be or not to be? That is the question. It's nobler in the mind. Oh fuck, I used to know that whole soliloquy, you know. Fuck me, I can't, I'm too pressed to remember it now.
My bedroom. Right, I had a good sleep, nice and warm. Loads of room in this hammock. It's massive, very cosy. I use my snug pack over quilt and my snug pack jungle blanket, really warm. This is the under blanket, guaranteed down to -5. I had to put some tarp toggles on just to fasten it on the side. As you can see, beautiful morning, different than the last time we were up here. Got down to 3 degrees in the night, which was quite chilly. Darren's still in his pit. But yeah, cracking hammock. Heavy to carry. Not as lightweight obviously, but then again it's winter. This under blanket is really good. A lot more comfy than using a mat. Tarp over the top of it. Oh, it's wet. Yeah, this. Sorry, it's a DD. It's not a snug pack. It's a DD under quilt. It's the winter version. Plenty of tie-offs. But it just needed a couple of these tarp toggles just to keep it on the edges, else it'd slip out. It's not as generous fit as me snug pack one, but beautiful morning up here. All the leaves are gone. Just had boil my water, having a brew. I'm going to pack up, go and get the car, come down, dump the stuff by the lay-by, get the car, and then head off home. But yeah, beautiful winter's morning. And had a great night in the hammock, loads of room. Lie on your side, lie on your back, lie diagonally. It doesn't sag as much as my other hammocks. Don't like the big massive logo on the side. I like the camera pattern, but that really spoils it, as everybody on YouTube has said. But yeah, and obviously with this you don't need to put a tarp over, but then you've not got much room. If your bag's not too big, it could quite easily fit in the hammock with you. But for the weight, it's just easier to bring a tarp. Would have used it in the snow? Maybe. Never hammocked in the snow before. Might have to do it this year. Right, finish my coffee. Start to pack up.